Once the GPT-3 model has been trained, fine-tuned and integrated with the calendar platform, the next step is to test and evaluate the chatbot's performance. This is an important step as it will help you identify any limitations or improvements that can be made to the chatbot. The first step is to test the chatbot's functionality by scheduling a meeting, checking calendar availability, and managing changes to the meeting schedule. This will help you identify any bugs or limitations in the chatbot's functionality and make any necessary adjustments. Next, you should evaluate the chatbot's performance by monitoring its usage and analyzing the data to identify any limitations or improvements that can be made. This can be done by tracking the number of meetings scheduled, the success rate of the chatbot's responses and the satisfaction level of the users. It's important to note that the performance of the chatbot may degrade over time, due to changes in the data distribution, and it may require retraining. This can be done by fine-tuning the model again with new examples, to ensure that it continues to perform well. It's also important to consider the user's experience when evaluating the chatbot's performance. The chatbot's responses should be clear and easy to understand, and the chatbot's interface should be user-friendly. In summary, testing and evaluating the chatbot is an important step in building a GPT-3-based meeting scheduler chatbot. By testing the chatbot's functionality, monitoring its usage and analyzing the data, you will be able to identify any limitations or improvements that can be made to the chatbot. Additionally, it's important to consider the user's experience and retraining the model over time to ensure that it continues to perform well.